We'll just strap your webcam on you too.
Huh?
We'll just strap the webcam on you.
Are we crossing here?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, on this guy. Yep.
Ah! Woo! Dang, dude, I should have wore the shiesty.
What? Oh, it's windy. Holy windy. What up?
Going way too fast for my taste.
Lost Bert. Freaking wind, come blow me down.
Where are we going?
I don't know. We're trying to find unknown. Now I don't know. Ooh, they need a new deck.
Yeah, that's just like a couple pallets. Hello. Dude, she waved so happy.
Yeah, she loved it, didn't she?
Hi! She like half stood up.
Keep your eyes peeled, Bert. Don't know. Look at there's a pond down there. I think we need to get left. We need to follow that way now. Shine! Dude, that's a sweet park. Alright, so me and Bert are on our mission of the adventure to find Bert's first ride spot.
I'm good. I'm 50.7.
50. It's pretty dead.
Yeah, I'm still good, dude.
Alright.
Plus, most of this ride is downhill to get home.
Should we go see if this goes somewhere?
Right here?
Yeah. Like, somebody walking this way or not?
That's what an adventure is.
Exactly, right? Look what we found, my gosh. Just what we suspected, huh?
Yeah.
Dude. Okay.
We're heading out into the bush now.
So once again, it's bound. I swear, no matter what, we can find new places in our town every time.
Maybe we'll find a wombat.
Find out something out here.
Woo-hee! Oh, 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 yeah, oh,
Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, those are good doggies. Sorry. Oh, super good dogs. Yeah, right? Good puppies. Have a great day.
Yep. Dude, I almost tipped her over.
You almost tipped over?
I almost tipped her over. I was legit riding with my leg. I had my leg. I was like this. I was like, ah! And freaking, my heel was bouncing off the ground. I had this over so far. I was like, ah!
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And then I look up and there's the lady. I came in as uncontrolled as I could.
She's just like, oh my god. Those things are...
Oh dude, look at all those flowers. Bunch of prairie dog nipple. Looks like they blocked it off. They don't want you doing that.
Yeah, we just like are the slowest riders on earth, I think.
Just putzing.
Yeah.
This is dope.
Yeah, this is fun. If I wasn't hurt, I would be ripping it and just letting you catch up. But I'm hurt and not trying to get Mo hurt. So here we are, still having fun. Must be at the next spot.
Say goodbye in words. I've died 100.
I don't think this is where we took you, but this is cool.
I'm still at 50.7.
Keep babying it, I guess. We'll find out, I guess, huh? Yeah, right? Right it is. That's what I'm saying, right? Wow.
That's cool.
Oh, it's showing me. I was like, dude, somewhere along the trail there's this. It's right there.
Oh shit.
What's down there?
There's not stairs. Let's have the Rambler.
Not a fan. I was gonna say, yeah, I think the Rambler is a good option.
Looks like a comfy seat on that puppy. I want a Rambler.
Looks better. I want one in the garage. I'll tell you that.
I want one.
I never.
I want that to be my rider.
Ah! I got hit by so many grasshoppers.
Ah,
did you?
That's my first one.
Yeah, so
Not
I'm
until
clearing,
you said anything.
I'm clearing it, dude. I literally just got like mangled by them. Ah! Dude, maybe we're here.
Whoa!
Look at this. We might be here. This kind of resembles where we were the original day, dude. What's it say?
50.5.
So you went down 0.2? 0.2 is not bad. This is so much fun, man. It's insane. Like, can I ride these spots on my gas dirt bike? Maybe once or twice before people start getting pissy. Nope. Keep thinking my front tire's low. This is crazy. Yeah, it definitely wasn't the bush spot, I don't think.
Big rocks.
Guys, I think I need to see a new sidewalk. This is new territory sidewalk. It's like my favorite thing. My favorite thing is finding new sidewalks on these bikes. This is super dope. Dude, oh my gosh, a bridge? Where are we?
Wow!
This trail's gonna rip us by this new sidewalk? Or what? Hello. No way, what is this?
I'm going on the bridge.
Yeah, right? Dude.
Whoa. I wonder if we're the first e-bikes to hit this.
Well, nice, dude. We, found a new spot.
Whoa.
I'm thinking this way is probably more towards back home.
Then this way it is.
Yeah, we don't want to get too far.
We've made enough new discoveries.
Let's go right and see what that sidewalk does, what we can see from it, and then we can probably get into the neighborhood and loop back or something.
Damn, coming stock with a deck.
I know, and a roof.
Yeah.
So the deck's gonna last.
Whoa.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta do what our instincts tell us to do, right?
Whoa. Okay. Someone else has been out here. Is that what you were pointing at?
Yeah.
Whee! New discoveries everywhere.
Yeah, dude. Look at this, is a nice trail they built in there. We had no idea. We still don't even know how we got to this trail. I'm not sure to say how I got where we just came from again, you know? I think I remember, but like it's totally random. Alright, maybe this isn't gonna take us anywhere cool. I thought it was gonna loop around faster than this.
Huh, this goes a long ways.
Yeah, I'll whip it around.
Or...
Yeah, holy crap. What if it cuts into there though and we can get back? No, let's keep going. Let's go fucking keep newing it up, dude. Let's leave some unexplored. There should be a left turn up here to get on the road, that stop sign I'm thinking.
Are we working in the morning?
No, it's supposed to snow.
So I'm gaming all night, boy. Patrick took tomorrow off. I'm gaming all night. So this is gonna be a pond of some sort, maybe?
Yeah, I'm guessing like left
overflow.
All the water from all the neighborhoods or whatever, probably, huh? Some bumpy terrain in here, people. I was gonna keep it, but I was like, watch me just get blasted by a car. Yeah, them clouds are looking heavy. Them clouds looking real heavy.
Yeah.
Dude, the sidewalk goes forever. Full batteries, we're gonna come send that sucker. Now we know how to get to it fast.
You do.
Yeah. Yep. This is where I came turning in. There's the sidewalk. That's what I was following. Nice.
Are you going straight?
No.
Or left? That side of the road?
Yeah, shit. We should have jumped the sidewalk by. Clouds are looking stormy. Got in.
How's it going? Hey, is this side or that side?
Crosser, sorry, Bert. My bad, I totally set you up.
I'm vigilant enough, I was like, yeah, he's looking around. I'm slowing down.
I've seen all this open stuff and can't help but think like, we might want to be on that side if there's a trail to go dip into.
50.3.
50.3, yeah. Start making our way back.
Yeah.
Charger fucking, that thing will probably charge till like 10 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
All freaking day, I bet.
I'll set alarms on my watch too. I can keep an eye.
Here we go. Oh, did I have a feeling?
Yeah, this would be good to stream.
I know, right? And we have the signs to, we are here. And that's where we were before at 2 and 3. So this is gonna lead us right back in. Bert, we just found ourselves a new loop, I think.
Before we get rained down.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, that was a little stale, guys. This is all about reading the land. Stop you, uppy. Easy.
Whoa!
Threw me off. Yeah, that's right. No four-wheelers. Only bicycles, okay?
You follow this?
This one only says no four-wheelers.
All right.
I like that one better.
You better go in front of me.
Yeah. Feel bad ditching you, but... Oh, wow. So that's where, like, I just think it just reminds me of getting to ride my 450 in the middle of town. And obviously not a 450, but like I get in the feeling of trail riding.
I'm seeing 49s.
You are? Yeah. Power line's taking us back home.
Oh, oh!
We're calling this power line. Dude, another school? Ooh, that's how you scratch the cameras up. Ooh, dump train too high. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh. I love these little bridges they give us. Through the forest we go. And look where we came back. Not the same bridge. I was like, oh, the bridge. And I was like, no, not the bridge.
Yeah, we were on a bridge over there.
Yeah, exactly what I was thinking. Huh, say less.
Is this the way?
Huh?
Is this the way?
I mean, I don't know. There's one way to find out. So far, things have been working out pretty good for us. We just found a really badass loop. I do believe.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know, you and me might get it done.
Okay, that's fucked up. Their landing is...
Yeah, it is. Those cantilevers, dude. Cantilever and hang the stairs on.
All of them are fucked
up.
up.
I say every one of them. Look at those guys redecked it and left it. They must have beefed it up at least. Storm's looking nasty. Clouds looking nasty.
Looking nice.
What's up, dude? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Wow.
Oh, hit it.
Oh, shit.
home.
Right?
Oh no!
Oh no. What's up, dog?
Oh,
Totally just dropped his freaking phone.
oh, fucking butt. Oh. Hang out at the pool house.
I don't know if it's a sidewalk or not, but we're getting on it, huh?
How do we get on it?
It's definitely not a sidewalk.
That's a drainage ditch.
Cha, dude. Kind of weird. A lot of railing.
Where's this taking us?
I don't think we're trapped.
Be careful for staples.
Oh yeah, right.